Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we are going to solve question number 12 to 17 of exercise 1.3. Question number 12. The set A is a set of number 1, 2, 3, 4 has the following relations in it. Find whether these are functions or not. If they are functions, find their type. The first relation is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. As we have given the set A in the question, and these relations are related to set A, which means these are the relation of A cross A, in which the set B is also set A. So let's see if it is a function or not. According to the condition of the function, the domain is equals to set A. The domain is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and if we see the element of set A, the set A element are also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see the second condition. According to second condition, every element of set A is associated with the every element of set B. Here we have A and B, both sets are equal. So you can see that 1 is associated with 2, 2 is associated with 3, and 3 is associated with 4, and 4 is associated with 1. Every element of set A is associated with the every element of set with exactly one element of set B. So this relation is a function. Now we have to see that which type of function is this. On to 1 to 1 or 1 to 1 and on to function. According to on to function, the range of the set is equals to set B, and if we see the range is 2, 3, 4 and 1, which is equal to set B, which is equals to second set, which is A. So this is the onto function. This is an onto function. And if we see 1 to 1 function, so according to 1 to 1 function, the distinct element of set A is associated with the distinct element of set B, and as you can see that the distinct element of set A is associated with the distinct element of set B. So this is the 1 to 1 and on to function. Now the second relation is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 1. First we have to see that if it is a function or not. According to the function, the domain is equal to set A, and domain are 1, 3 and 4, which is not equal to set A. So this relation is not a function. Now we have third relation. In third relation we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. If we see the first condition of the function, the domain is not equal to set A, because in this relation the domain is same. So this is not a function. Now we have relation 4. In relation 4 we have 2, 1, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, and if we see the domain is 2, 4, 3, and it is not equal to set A. So this relation is also not a function. Now we have question number 13. List the 16 different relation on the set 0, 1. How many of the 16 different relation contains the pair 0, 1? We have a set 0, 1. We have to write the 16 relation of 0, 1. Let's suppose the set, let be the name of set A. Now we have to find the relations. So first we have to find the Cartesian product. So we find A cross A, which is equals to 0, 1 cross 0, 1, and we have found its Cartesian product. Now after this we have to find the relations, and we have to find 16 relation So you all know that how to find the relation of the Cartesian product. First is the null set, then we take the single element in every relation, then we take two elements together, then we take three elements, and then we take four elements, and in the last we write the improper subset, in which we take all the element of the set. As you all know how to make the relation, now we have to find that in how many relation contains the pair 0 1. So let's see. R3, this relation contains 0 1, this relation contains 0 1, relation 9 contains 0 1, relation 10 contains 0 1, relation 12, relation 13, relation 15, and relation 16. Let's count the relations. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 relations contain pair 0 1.